Are you bored of eating regular bread? Try this yummy tomato mushrooms bread. This bread is very tasty with fresh tomato flavor and mushrooms. Simple to prepare. Make this bread and surprise your family and friends. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special tomato bread with stuffing. Take 50 ml of warm water in a mixing bowl. To this, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Give it a mix and add 6 grams of instant dry yeast. Mix the yeast in the water and rest for 10 minutes. Until that, we'll make tomato paste. For that, take 400 grams of ripened tomatoes. Make plus cut on the back of the tomatoes and boil them for about 5 minutes. This makes tomato skin loosen and easy to remove. After 5 minutes, take out the tomatoes. Peel the skin. Remove the navel and drop them in a blender jar. Now blend the tomatoes into paste. Now drop this tomato paste into the yeast, water and mix. We need 350 grams of paste, so adjust the tomatoes quantity accordingly. I've got 350 grams of paste from 400 grams of tomatoes. Now add 480 grams of all-purpose flour into the tomato mixture. On the top of the flour, add 8 grams of salt. Mix all the ingredients. When flour mixed well with the tomato mixture, add 25 grams of unsalted butter and mix. Take your time and knead the dough until it will not stick to your fingers. When dough is ready, cover it with damp cloth or a stretch film and rest it for about 1 hour. Until that, we'll prepare our stuffing. For that, take 400 grams of mushrooms and cut them. Here I'm cutting vertically. You can cut as per your wish. After cutting, drop the mushrooms in a frying pan. Add salt to taste and start to cook on a medium flame. Don't add any water. Mushrooms will ooze out a lot of water. When water evaporates 50%, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and mix. Now add half teaspoon of black pepper and mix. Cook until all the water evaporates. For frying, no need to add any vegetable oil. Look, our mushrooms fried well. Switch off the gas and let it cool down. Now take the dough. Our dough grows well. It becomes more than double. Drop it onto a working surface. Press gently to make the gas out. Now divide the dough into 3 equal parts. Roll it to a ball, cover with stretch film and rest it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take the dough balls, roll it to a rectangle shape. Now take the mushrooms and spread on the flattened dough. On the top, spread some chopped coriander or dill leaves. You can add your favorite cheese also. Here I am adding paneer. Now roll it in gently. Press the edges with the fingers to seal it. Place it in a bread mold. Here I am using silicone mold. If you are using metal mold, apply some oil and dust it with flour so that bread will come out easily after baking. Now with the help of skewer, make a small hole on the center. Cover and rest it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, apply milk on the top. This will give good color to the bread. You can use egg wash as well. Now bake in preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, our tomato mushroom bread is ready. The smell and flavor of this bread is so yummy. You should definitely try this bread. It's very tasty.